Hello, hello, hello. This is Donna Davis Bell, and I have for you today another design team project for Happiness and Crafting by Gi Kerr. This is another episode using her Fussy Cuts #1 kit, and today we are working on clusters. There are two ways to do the clusters. You can sew them or you can just glue them. I have some that I have already sewn. This one is finished. It has the word magnificent, and it has a little fussy cut with the background. It looks like kind of like a ledger, this beautiful image, and then the birds on the branch on top, and it's just a little flower and just different pieces of laces and fabrics that I have layered together. And it will be beautiful on a journal page. Here, let's see. Could sit on the corner of a journal page like this and have a tuck spot. It can go in the center and have a tuck spot. You could put it in the middle like a belly band. I mean, there's so much you can do. You could put it at the top and have papers under it like a memo pad. I mean, there's so much you can do with these. Here's another one. This one says cheerful. I made it to go kind of catty corner. When you're making clusters, doesn't matter how you lay them. You can do them any way you want. It can go on a tag. It can go on a page. Just wherever you want to put it. Okay. And here's another one that I've done. And this is just a simple one. I just had this little scrap left over. Took the fussy cut with the little birds and glued it on. And then this little flower that I had in my stash. So there's 3. So now let's work on some. The first thing we're going to do, let's do this one. I've already sewn several little scraps that I had together. There's like blue flowered, a little scrap of some like flannel, a little piece of ribbon, a little piece of lace, another little teeny tiny scrap, and then I just zigzagged across there. Okay, and I want to take this little flower from her journal cards kit and this little teacup, and I'm going to layer them on there. Now I have my little book out already for the glue. Let's see, let's move these out of the way so we can get everything in the camera. Bring our book in. We're going to put some glue on these 2 pieces. And I'm just using, and it looks horrible because I've been using it for so long, Fabri-Tac, Eileen's Fabri-Tac. I've been working on this bottle for quite a long time. One bottle goes quite a ways. Quite a ways. I hope you're all doing well. It was rainy this morning, but it turned out to be a beautiful day. Okay, let's bring this up. We're going to put that about right there, and I'm just going to smooth that down. And now we have our little fussy cut image with the little blue teacup, the dragonfly, and the beautiful flowers. And let's put some glue onto it. Being sure to get our edges. Now, I wouldn't recommend using a glue stick for this when you're using fabric because it will not adhere and stay. It will come loose. I recommend using what I use when I'm doing fabric is Eileen's Fabri-Tac, a Fabri-Tac glue, so that it will stay. So there we have, let's see, another cute little cluster, and it could go on a page like a pocket. Of course, this isn't the right paper to put it on, but you see what I'm talking about. It could go as a pocket. It could go at the top with papers under it as like a memo. It could be a belly band with something to tuck, down in. It could go on an envelope, altered envelope, just all kind of things you could do with that. So there's another one. Let's bring this one in. This is my favorite image in her Fussy Cut #1 kit. It's a Victorian lady with some flowers and a background. Looks like a some type of receipt. Some flowers up here. She's got the peacock feathers in her hat. The beautiful Victorian dress. Just a beautiful, beautiful image. Here I've layered several different types of fabric. We've got some chenille bedspread. We've got some chiffon, flowered chiffon, some pink lace, some kind of beige lace, and another piece of that flowered chiffon. And we're just going to glue that down onto there. So let's put some glue onto her. And again, Gi's kits are awesome. She thinks out of the box. She does a lot of different things that no one else is doing. She has a Facebook group where she gives away freebies. She has Instagram. She has an Etsy shop where you can go on over and purchase these kits. They are beautiful, beautiful kits. We're going to put this flower up in the top, and I want to make sure that I get plenty of this Fabri-Tac on there. I'm going to put it right up there, just like that, and let it sit overnight. And then I have chosen the word beautiful for this one. So let's put some glue onto it, and I just realized we did not put our word fabulous on the last one, so we will go back in a second and do that. And we're just going to put that on there just like that, and now we have another beautiful cluster for a journal page. Isn't that beautiful? I just love, love, love her Fussy Cuts. Gorgeous. Okay, so now we have another one. Let's go back and add our word to this one. See, where do we want to put that? There, maybe? Or up here? I think right there. Normally, I like to wait and add my words when I am making the journal, so that it, depending on what I'm doing, like I like my journals to mean something. So there it is with the word fabulous. So I usually add my words to my things whenever I'm making the journal so that it goes with what I am doing. Now let's make one from scratch. If you do not have a sewing machine, you do not know how to sew, you can still make these. This is the Fussy Cut we're using for this one. The word brilliance. And we have all these itsy bitsy pieces. And it's all we're going to do. All that we're going to do is we're going to add, get that out of there, add glue. And lots of it. Okay. My fingers have glue and it's sticking. Okay, we want to put this maybe just like that. Press it down. Next, we want to add more glue for our next layer. My fingers pulling it up. Okay, so let's put this on there, just like that. We're just layering. We have a piece of this cheesecloth. We'll put it across there. Just like that. Okay, let's see. We have some of this. We'll just put it on there somewhere. Okay, next we have our little, and I need to see where I want to put that because it has the pearls on it. About right there. Okay. And we're just going to glue that on there. Okay. Just press it down. Let's go ahead and put our glue onto our little fussy cut. And this is the fussy cut that we're using for this one. And these are a great way to use up those scraps that you have laying around. Okay, got it like that. I want to add this up under there, so I'm going to lift that back up, pull that up, add a big dab of glue, and I've just got it like this, and I'm going to stick that up under there and press it down and press our paper fussy cut down over it. Okay, next we're going to add our word, and I think I want it about right there, so let's put our glue onto it. And there we have another one, another beautiful fussy cut cluster to go into a journal, and it can sit on a page, on a corner at the top as a tuck spot, at the bottom as a tuck spot, as a page tab on the edge of your page, just wherever you want to put it, on a tag, an envelope that you've altered, whatever you want to do with it. So there's another one. Well, let's make one more. Let's see. Okay, we have some of this lace. We'll put it on there, just like so. We have some of this little applique. It has some staining, but that's okay. I like this, the effect of the staining. We'll put it onto there just like that. Press it down. The next thing we'll do, we're using this little fussy cut image. Put it right there in the middle and smooth it down. Okay, we had this little flower that we wanted to put down here, I think. I want to put that around right there. And want that there. We're going to put the word love right there, I think. Okay, so let's put this on here. Just like that. Let's put this here. Smooth it down. Put us a good dab of glue on this flower. add it right there and smooth it down real good. And then our word. And I think we decided we wanted it kind of tucked in right there. And there we have another cute little, well, we could add a flower at the top. And we could add more to it, but I think we've got plenty on there. I really think we've got plenty. Yeah, we've got plenty on there. We're just playing around now. Okay, so there we have another one. So let's see what we have now. We have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm thinking about doing this one. Not sure. I may just sew a button onto that. I haven't decided. But these little clusters are so easy to make, and they're fun to make, and they're so much fun to use in your journals. So I'll show them to you one more time. We have this one. We have this one. This one's my favorite. We have this one. And the little teapot with the butterfly. And the little birds nesting on a branch. And this cute little one. So there you have it. Again, that is Design Team Project for Happiness in Crafting by Gi Kerr. Go on over and grab her kit, Fussy Cut #1, and come on over and join me. We are doing a series of mask making series, creating all kind of fun items for our journals to use in our crafts. So go on over and grab that. Now you could even take these a step further if you wanted to and add beads and dangles and all such as that to them. So yeah, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up please if you enjoyed this video, and go grab your kit and come craft along with me. Bye bye.